Girls, what were you just saying? Who's outside? Who do you think's outside?
Papa.
Where? Papa? Who's coming today?
Papa.
Are you excited to see Papa?
Yes. Well,
What are you going to say when Papa gets here?
bagels.
You're going to say bagels?
Yeah.
Are you going to give him something?
Bag.
Are you going to give him something?
Treats.
Oh, you're going to give him treats?
Yeah.
How about a big
Bagel.
hug?
Hug.
A big hug
Yeah.
for Papa? And a,
Kiss.
oh, a kiss? You want to give him a big kiss? Yeah. Do you want to give him a big hug and kiss, Isa? No? Are you sure?
Bagel.
Do you want to give Papa a big kiss?
No.
No.